Mastering the pronunciation of English numbers 11 to 20. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video on your English learning journey. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of English cardinal numbers, specifically focusing on numbers 11 through 20. Pronouncing these numbers correctly is crucial for effective communication, so let's conquer them together. Before we begin, let's quickly review the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. These may look familiar to you, but each number has its unique pronunciation, which we will now delve into. 11 and 12 are somewhat exceptions, as they don't follow the usual pattern of other numbers in this range. Practice these two numbers, making sure you understand their unique sounds. Starting from 13 up to 19, we see a pattern forming. The base number, 3, 4, 5, etc., followed by teen. This teen is different from tie and can be a bit tricky to pronounce. Make sure you stress the second syllable, 13, 14, 15, and so on. Finally, we reach 20. This number may seem like a big jump, but it follows a similar pattern to the numbers that come after it. The key here is to pronounce it as twenty rather than 2nty. And that's a wrap on numbers 11 to 20. It's a small range of numbers, but mastering their pronunciation is a significant step towards mastering English numerals. Remember, practice is key. Try to incorporate these numbers in your daily conversation, or maybe practice by counting different items around your house. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session where we'll continue our journey into the fascinating world of English language. Happy learning!